Golioth is interested in getting your IoT projects off the ground. And often this means helping you prototype and helping you build out a fleet of devices that can grow to as big as you want it to be. That's why we recently launched Solutions, which had two elements to it. First is a marketplace, and second is a set of services to actually do that, to actually help you prototype and build your first piece of hardware and get it built and out into the world. But to do that and to build some of these solutions, we actually rely on our design partners and the hardware and solutions that they put into the marketplace. One such provider is AL2TECH, which is a product development shop out of Milan, Italy, who built a new device that we're talking about here today called the AL2Log. AL2Log is a data logger that is cellular and has a wide variety of different types of inputs and can handle just about any kind of data application you'd like and any kind of input you could throw to it, because you don't know necessarily what you want to monitor at the beginning of your project. So let's go listen to Andrea, who talked to us at Embedded World back in April of 2024, and he showed us the AL2Log in action using Golioth, talking back to a dashboard of their building and monitoring a bunch of inputs on the show floor at Embedded World 2024.
Hi, so I am Andrea from AL2TECH. We are a design house and we develop custom electronics for our clients, but we also do a few internal products, and we have one here. So what we usually basically do is helping our clients during the development stage. For example, for this client, they have a water dispenser for dispensing water for offices and houses, and they had an old machine which weren't connected to the cloud. So we had added some electronics to make it Wi-Fi connected. So now basically you can gather all the information about the machine, like internal temperature of the water, what button has been pressed, and send this information over to the cloud. We're using Golioth, our partner, for the cloud side, so we can get over-the-air update, security, authentication, which is really important because it will be used also as a pay machine. And the other thing that we've done for this client, they are selling this nice bottle. By the way, the client is called Hub Water, and these bottles, they have an NFC tag, so every bottle is unique, and there is an NFC reader in the machine. So when you use the machine reads the NFC tags and knows which bottles have been used to fill the water, and will get all this information and send it straight to the cloud. And then you can get this information on your app as well. So that's something that we have done for this client, and we did something similar for other clients, so make smart and connected their products. Here you can see a few boards that we did for other clients. This is for actually a device in the medical industry, and this is to monitor the machines. Basically, it's to add, again, the Wi-Fi connectivity, and then there are a few sensors like an accelerometer, and that they use to monitor the vibration of their machine and send this information to the cloud. I would say the main attraction of this embedded world is the AL2Log, which is an AL2TECH branded device. It's a flexible data logger. Has a cellular interface, LT1M1, GPS receiver. Is designed in an ultra-low power fashion, so it's powered by 2D size batteries that can last up to 10 years, it depends of course how you use it. And it has some flexible interface for industrial sensors, so it has RS484, Modbus, CAN bus, digital input, digital output. You can use to count pulses from a flow meter, like you can use it as a water meter, gas meter, energy meter. Has analog input for analog sensors, and has also a 220 volts relay, so you can use to switch the mains. Here we are showing together with Golioth again. It uses Golioth, and Grafana we are showing the live stream data from actually two AL2Logs. This one is using an external antenna. This one is using the internal antenna. You can see here. For example, I'm taking the two. This is a flow meter. If I blow on it, there is a low power, ultra low power interface to the flow meter, which will count the pulses and send this information over to the cloud. And here, yeah, we saw here the bump on the counter, so it's live streamed. The other thing I want to show you, with a remote procedure call, we can trigger the internal relay, which at the moment, let me see, Oh, that's the current. You see the current is around 1 amps, so the relay is turned on. I can go here and I can remotely turn off the relay, which actually is powering some electric valves that you can use, for example, to irrigate your garden. And now it should be off. So yeah, you can see here that the current went down, so the relay is working. Measuring the current, you can understand if everything went as expected or not. Yeah, that's pretty much it.